What's up, my dudes? It's Kamapoko, your friendly neighborhood FX noob, back at it again with another US dollar to Japanese yen market analysis. We're also gonna cover some crucial stuff, so stick around till the end. You won't want to miss it, unless you enjoy losing money, then by all means, click away. So, how did your trades go yesterday? Mine? Oh, just absolutely crushing it. Seriously, unless I pull some epic, hold my beer while I lose all my money move today, July is looking like a net positive month for me. I mean, I only started trading in the latter half of July, so I've only made like 5 trades. But hey, small losses, big wins, right? That's my motto. My ultimate goal is to become a full-time trader, raking in the cash while doing whatever the heck I want. You guys got any big goals you're chasing? Drop M in the comments below. I'm always down for some inspo. Before we dive into today's market madness, let's break down yesterday's trade. I was patiently, and by patiently, I mean constantly refreshing my screen like a madman, waiting for a pullback to this specific price zone. When it looked like it was actually gonna hit, I slapped a buy limit order in there faster than you can say, margin call. My take profit target was just shy of the recent high on the 4-hour chart, and my stop loss was just below the last swing low on the 4-hour. We're talking a sweet 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio here. For all the juicy details on my entry logic, hit up my last video or my blog. It's basically a treasure map to financial freedom, results not guaranteed, don't sue me. After I entered, it was a 7-hour wrestling match between buyers and sellers. I swear, it felt like I was watching paint dry, but then BAM. It finally shot up in the direction I predicted. I almost buckled under the sideways price action, but I held strong, like a hero in a cheesy action movie. I actually thought it would go even higher, but with a bunch of major US economic indicators dropping one after another, I decided to take my profits at my original target. And let me tell you, that led to the best night's sleep I've had in ages. So, how were your trades yesterday? If you traded, spill the beans in the comments. And feel free to share your market analysis too. Oh, and speaking of market analysis, I'm trying to share as much as I can on YouTube's community tab, so smash that subscribe button. Also, I post super serious, detailed market analysis on my blog every single day. If you're into that kind of deep dive, check it out. Alright, enough chit-chat. Let's get right into today's US dollar to Japanese yen market analysis. For the weekly chart breakdown, hit up my video or blog from the beginning of the week. Trust me, the long-term trend is super important, so don't sleep on it. Alright, let's peep the daily chart. Here it is. The previous day's candlestick broke above the recent high with its body, making this our new last swing low. So, as long as we don't drop below this level, we're keeping a bullish bias on the daily. Are we hitting 150 yen? I think so. By the way, this is the weekly swing high, and with 150 yen being a big round number, we can expect some selling pressure to kick in. But right now, I'm still leaning bullish. I don't do crazy counter-trend gambling trades. Going short here would be like playing roulette with your rent money. When the time for selling comes, I'll definitely let you know on this channel. Next up, the 4-hour chart. Check it out. The 4-hour chart also broke above its recent high with its body, so the uptrend is still chugging along. This is our last swing low, and we're staying bullish until it's broken. Looking at the left side of the 4-hour chart, there aren't really any major resistance levels. But keep in mind that the weekly swing high's candlestick body is just shy of 150 yen, so let's keep that in the back of our minds. Now, let's take a gander at the 1-hour chart. We've got an uptrend here too. This is our recent high, and this is our last swing low. You can see a long lower wick on this candle, so it might be a good idea to keep an eye on that candle body line too. Basically, on the 1 hour, we're bullish until we break below the last swing low line. So, from the daily to the 1 hour, it's all looking up. Based on all this epic analysis, I'm gonna share my super secret, totally groundbreaking trading strategy. Yup, I'm targeting a counter-trend, gambling, return to sell trade against the higher time frames. Just kidding. I'm obviously looking for a pullback to buy. This is the 4-hour chart, and the price zone I'm eyeing is right here. This area was a previous high on the 4-hour and has been a pretty significant level for a while. And get this, as I'm writing this script, it's also near the 1-hour swing low. Plus, the 21-period moving average on the 4-hour chart is chillin' right there too. So yeah, I'm looking for a buy opportunity here today. I'm keeping a bullish bias as long as this 4-hour swing low price zone isn't clearly broken. That's pretty much it for my strategy for now. If I come up with anything else or if the market decides to pull a fast one and change directions, I'll definitely post it on my blog. Just for reference, you know? Alright, that's all for today, folks. On this channel, I'll be dropping market analysis and sharing my trades, so if you're even a little bit interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and drop a comment. See you next time.